Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that often goes unnoticed but is essential to the flying experience: airplane toilets. Yes, you heard that right. While they may not be the most glamorous aspect of air travel, airplane toilets have a fascinating history, unique engineering, and some surprising features that make them a crucial part of any flight. So buckle up and let's explore everything you need to know about airplane toilets. First, let's start with a little history. The concept of an airplane toilet dates back to the early days of aviation. In the 1920s, when commercial flights began to take off, passengers had to make do with makeshift solutions. Early aircraft didn't have toilets at all, and passengers had to hold it in or use a portable toilet, which was far from convenient. It wasn't until the 1930s that the first functional airplane lavatory was introduced. This was a simple design, often just a small room with a bucket, but it marked the beginning of a significant evolution in air travel comfort. Fast forward to today, and airplane toilets have come a long way. Modern aircraft are equipped with sophisticated lavatory systems designed to maximize space and efficiency. Most commercial airplanes feature a vacuum system that uses suction to remove waste, which is a game changer compared to traditional gravity flush toilets. This system not only saves water, but also reduces the overall weight of the aircraft, which is crucial for fuel efficiency. Now, let's talk about the anatomy of an airplane toilet. When you step into the lavatory, you'll notice a few key components. The toilet itself is often smaller than what you'd find at home, but it's designed to be functional. There's usually a foot pedal that you press to flush, which activates the vacuum system. This system is incredibly efficient, using a fraction of the water that a regular toilet would need. You might wonder what happens to the waste after it's flushed. Well, airplane toilets are connected to a sealed waste tank located in the belly of the aircraft. This tank is designed to hold the waste until the plane lands, where ground crews will empty it using specialized equipment. The waste is then disposed of in accordance with environmental regulations, ensuring that air travel remains as eco-friendly as possible. One interesting feature of airplane toilets is the presence of a blue liquid, often seen swirling in the toilet bowl. This liquid is a disinfectant and deodorizer that helps keep the toilet clean and reduces odors. It's a crucial aspect of maintaining hygiene in the cramped space of an airplane lavatory, especially during long flights. Another noteworthy point is the design considerations that go into creating airplane toilets. Space is at a premium in an aircraft, and every inch counts. That's why you'll often find clever storage solutions like foldable shelves or hooks for hanging personal items. Additionally, the lighting is designed to be soft and unobtrusive, creating a more pleasant atmosphere. Some newer aircraft even feature touchless faucets and soap dispensers to enhance the user experience and promote hygiene. Now, let's address a common concern: the smell. Airplane toilets are designed with ventilation systems that help minimize odors. These systems circulate air through the lavatory, drawing in fresh air and keeping things as pleasant as possible. However, it's important to remember that these toilets are used frequently, especially on long-haul flights, so a certain level of odor is inevitable. If you find yourself in a less than pleasant situation, a quick spray of air freshener can go a long way. Speaking of cleanliness, let's talk about maintenance. Airplane toilets are cleaned regularly, often between flights. Ground crews have a strict protocol to follow, ensuring that each lavatory is sanitized and stocked with essentials like toilet paper and soap. On long flights, flight attendants may also perform quick checks to restock supplies and maintain cleanliness throughout the journey. Now, let's touch on some of the quirks and myths surrounding airplane toilets. One popular myth is that flushing an airplane toilet can cause a vacuum that sucks you in. Rest assured, that's just a myth. The vacuum system is designed to be safe and efficient, and there's no danger of being pulled into the toilet. Another interesting fact is that airplane toilets have been the subject of various innovations over the years. Some airlines have experimented with eco-friendly toilets that use composting technology, aiming to reduce their environmental impact. Others have introduced features like self-cleaning systems and touchless technology to enhance the passenger experience. As we wrap up this exploration of airplane toilets, it's clear that while they may not be the most glamorous part of flying, they play a vital role in ensuring passenger comfort and hygiene. The engineering behind these facilities is impressive, and the attention to detail in their design is commendable. Next time you board a plane, take a moment to appreciate the little things, like the convenience of the lavatory. It's a small but significant part of the flying experience that has evolved over the decades to meet the needs of travelers. Whether you're on a short hop or a long-haul journey, knowing a bit more about airplane toilets can make your travel experience a little more enjoyable. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of airplane toilets. If you found this video informative, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of aviation. And if you have any questions or stories about your experiences with airplane toilets, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy travels.